Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to go over how to repair a leaky faucet. There are two common failures on a leaky faucet and we're going to go over it. One is the stem washer is worn, and another part is where the packing washer is, where that's worn. Those are the two places that normally leaks. But before we go over how to fix it, let's just look at some diagrams real quick to understand the situation so you're aware on possibly what needs to be fixed. Now, a compression faucet, as you can see right here, there's a stem washer right here. It's a rubber gasket, and there's the spindle in the middle, and then at the top there's the packing nut and packing washer. In my previous video shown up here, I went through how to replace a stem washer and how to add more packing. Now that's one way to fix it. However, there's another way that sometimes gets overlooked. The packing nut, sometimes you just have to tighten it a little bit and it stops the leak. Now if you're dripping water, that's a different story, but if you're having water spraying out from the packing nut area, the simple solution and the most common solution is just to tighten up the washer itself. So I have right here a valve and it's leaking water. I have 3 of them leaking, and I'm going to go over a quick way how to fix all 3 of them. All you just have to do is just tighten it. So right here I have this adjustable wrench down here securing the bottom part. And I'm just going to go up to the top part, and all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to tighten it. By a tab. That's it. And then after that I'm going to wipe it up and see if it still continues to drip water. So I wiped it and I let it sat for about 5 minutes already. It's still dry. That's all it takes. Let's go to the next valve. Okay, for this one right here, it's leaking again, right, that stem right there. So all you do is, again, just grab hold of the valve itself, and then grab hold of this, and again, all you do is just tighten it just by a little bit. That's all it takes, just a tad bit. And I'm going to wipe it down and see if it drips again. So again, it's been about 5 minutes and bone dry. It's not leaking at all anymore. So this outdoor faucet right here, as you can see, it leaks right there. I have the main body secured, and then all I'm going to do is just tighten it. Done. Stop leaking. So now we come to this shut off valve right here. Now this one isn't leaking anymore. It was leaking earlier, and that can happen. I mean, it starts leak, but then some contaminants or oxidation comes along and stops it from leaking. But again, this would be the same idea. You would try to tighten the top part, and that's pretty much it. So try it at your place before you take things apart. Hopefully that helps. Thanks.